We have coverage for you on India's Republic Day celebration on January 26th, which was historic as President Obama was the official chief guest. Local politicians from New York also gave messages to mark this special day in India's history.
Hello, this is Hempstead Town Senior Councilman Anthony Santino, and I'm very proud to present greetings and extend best wishes on this Republic Day of India. We're very proud in the town of Hempstead, which is in Nassau County, New York, and it's America's largest township. We're very proud of the wonderful contributions that the Indian American citizens in the town of Hempstead have made and continue to make to our township. We're very proud, Supervisor Kate Murray and I, that 11 years ago we began the first Republic Day celebration here in Nassau County, and it's a celebration that each and every year celebrates the independence and the great country and the great democratic traditions of India, the world's largest democracy. Each year we bring together Indian American community leaders from across the town of Hempstead and across Nassau County to celebrate this very, very special day. So greetings from here in the town of Hempstead in the United States, the world's oldest democracy, to the people of the world's biggest democracy as they celebrate Republic.
Hi, I'm New York State Assemblyman Tom McKevitt, and just want to wish to all the Indian Americans, especially in New York State, but also the ITV listeners and viewers on the 65th anniversary of Republic Day in India. Looking forward to a great relationship between India and the United States over the many years, and looking forward for an even stronger relationship in the future. Even the President being a guest for Republic Day this year. And again, I think it's just a great acknowledgement and a great unity between the two countries, and looking forward for many decades of a stronger relationship.
Hello, I'm New York State Senate Majority Leader Dean Skelos. On behalf of the New York State Senate, it is my pleasure to address you today in celebration of India Republic Day. Millions of people around the world are joining us to commemorate the historic signing of India's Constitution and the liberation from British rule. In the years since becoming independent, the United States and India have cultivated an important partnership on the world stage. And the United States is also very fortunate that many Indian Americans have chosen our country, and more specifically our region, to live, work, and raise a family. Long Island's Indian American population is growing and has become a vibrant part of our communities. Your contributions are helping our region succeed and enriching our culture throughout Nassau and Suffolk counties. I'm pleased to join you in celebrating the historic milestone of India Republic Day, and I look forward to continuing to work together in the coming year.
I want to wish all of my friends in the Indian American community a very happy Republic Day. Today you celebrate freedom, national pride, and the men and women who helped realize the dream of an independent country governed by its people. Indian Americans are valuable members of our communities, and we have many things in common. The ideals celebrated during Republic Day are something which Americans and Indians both share deeply. I'm very happy to be with you in spirit today to celebrate them. Happy Republic Day.